Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of light therapy with what many consider the best DPL Red Light Therapy device on the market. Introducing the DPL IIa Blue and Red Light Therapy device, a 3-in-1 powerhouse for anti-aging and acne treatment. Now, what sets this device apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about its effectiveness. This device isn't just your average skincare gadget. It's an FDA-cleared, OTC Class II medical device. That means it's backed by science and designed to deliver clinical strength results right in the comfort of your own home. From reducing fine lines and wrinkles to combating acne and inflammation, this device does it all. And the best part? It's non-invasive and cost-effective, saving you trips to the dermatologist and pricey treatments. But how does it feel to use? Well, according to users, it's a breeze. The DPL IIa features 3 powerful treatment settings, making it customizable to your skincare needs. Plus, it's designed for easy use with its lightweight and portable design. Simply apply the device to your clean, dry skin and let the magic happen. Whether you're targeting pesky pimples or aiming for a more youthful complexion, this device has got you covered. Now, let's talk long-term benefits. With regular use, the DPL IIa stimulates natural collagen and elastin production, resulting in clearer, healthier-looking skin over time. Say goodbye to frequent flare-ups and hello to a radiant complexion. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a top-notch DPL Red Light Therapy device, look no further than the DPL IIa. With its clinical strength effectiveness, user-friendly design, and long-term benefits, it's truly a game-changer in the world of skincare. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, stay glowing.